Gentlemen, the missiles vector puts it en route to the East Coast. We will lose the White House.
We've rebuilt it before. We'll rebuild it again.
Casualties?
Possibly 30 to 50,000. Depends on the exact location of the detonation. All systems will go down.
General Shepard, you warned us. We should have listened.
When they speak of this moment, we will not be the ones who stood guard while America died. One man is responsible for all this. Makarov must be brought to light.
Whatever you need, General. You've got a blank check.
Dagger 2-1, this is Overlord. Do you copy? Over. Dagger 2-1, this is Overlord. How copy? Over.
Take this and stay down! Waist down! Last man! Take it go! Hit it! Ammo check! There's too many of them! Tender! Sound off! Tracer! 3 rounds left! Corporal! Head on! Defend this position!
Come in, Sat-1. This is ISS Control. Houston's requesting a feed from your helmet cam, over. They want you to look over towards the dark side of the Earth. Should be cresting the horizon about 15 degrees east of the starboard PV rays. Sat-1, rotate your view a little further to the right, will you? There it is. We're getting your feet, Sat-1. Come in, Houston. Are you getting this?
Copy that, ISS. Video feed from Sat-1 is clear. Sat-1, keep tracking the bogey. We're looking into it. Stand by.
Houston, we're not scheduled for any satellite launches today, are we?
ISS Houston, stand by. We may have a problem here.
Houston, this is ISS.
Get it, Pip Corporal. Our weapons still work, which means we can still kick some ass, what?
They're here.
You going out there? Are you nuts?
It's over. Come on. We still have a water fight.
Mine's down too.
Looks like optics are down.
Wow.
Comms,
Check it
too.
out, man.
There's not even a street light for blocks. Ah, damn it. All right. We gotta regroup with whoever's left out there. Corporal Dunn, take point.
Countersign, all right? I'm just a runner. Don't shoot!
The proper response is Texas, soldier. What do you got?
Colonel Marshall's assembling a task force at Whiskey Hotel. You guys need to keep heading north. So where are you going then? Tell everyone else. Get to Whiskey Hotel. Go!
You heard the man. Let's go. Dunn, you're up.
Clear. I got our 6. Copy that.
Star!
Вражеская пехота на дне! Враги проходят! Замечены 15 километров! Шутер! Выдвигаюсь! Я его отсюда не вижу! У кого есть лишняя граната? Сильная двери!
Let's go. There's the Eisenhower building. Whiskey Hotel's on the other side.
Oh, man, we gotta go out there.
Done. Check the vitals. We'll cover you.
No, he's a gunner. He's a gunner.
Keep quiet. Got a visual on 3 tangos. Stay low. Clear shot.
Не поддается! Бесследно, так нам их не вытащить!
Smoke 'em.
Нам нужно...
What about?
It's clear. I don't know what's worse, man. Dodging falling helicopters or freezing my ass in this monsoon.
Quiet. I think I see something. Hold your fire.
Are they friendly?
I don't know.
Star!
Cover me.
Star!
Say Texas, damn it. Say it.
Contact!
Street clear!
Clear Oscar Mike, let's go.
Watch for movement. Move up. Feet dry. Cut the chatter. Ramirez, take point.
Whoa, check out the seal on this door. I thought the president's bunker was under the west wing.
No, that's just for tourists. This must be the real thing. Open it up.
Real or not, man, this place is history. Hope they got out in time.